Hi guys, we have 3 knives here. Cold steel, Recall 1, S30 YVN steel, Ontario Rat 1, AOS 8, designed by Jeff Randall, and a Swiss Army knife called a Forester. It's a very old model. Maybe you think that these 2 knives cut better than this, but I can prove the opposite. Let's see that. This branch is about, maybe it's about the thickness of a child's arm. Let's see. Of course you can say that it's a 55 Rockwell Victorinox basic stainless steel, but you can resharpen this very quickly. You don't need actually any special Lansky sharpening system or so. It's a full flat grind blade, proven by decades of hard use by the Swiss Army. Thank you.